today we will give tips. How to fill Zippo lighter oil properly and correctly. By changing Zippo lighter oil regularly, then you have taken good care of it. If you use it often, fill it every 2 days. If rarely used, fill in every time you want to use it. The price is not too expensive. Only around $2 per bottle. With a volume of 125 milliliters. Zippo oil you can buy at the nearest mart. Before starting to the first stage, it's a good idea to stop for a moment and press the subscribe button. Okay, let's start. First, prepare Zippo lighters and Zippo oil. Second, remove insert from inside. The 3 white parts on Zippo oil, or the straw. Open with the case slowly so as not to damage the case. Fourth, look at the bottom of the insert and there is cotton that says lift to fill. So the point is to lift the cotton to fill the oil. This cotton is usually called felt pad, to keep the oil from falling down. Now see the little dot here. Can use the lid to open this felt pad. Now continue to pour the oil for 5–10 seconds. Oops. Close again. Then enter again, insert into. Eighth, pour a little oil on the wick to lure the oil to rise to the top. Just a little is enough, 1 drop. Now test. Already lit. When the Zippo lighter doesn't light, there are several possibilities. First, wick. The wick may need to be replaced. Second, flint. The flint may be out or stuck, so it has to be replaced. Thank you for watching.